Wait. Hey guys, it's Jerusalem. Today I'm going to play. Not playing. I just watching my comments. I can watching my comments. I see comments now. If I see in comments in my videos.
Kasi ka na send you videos?
Don't care lang na.
Oo.
Nagsala ko.
Okay.
Dito yun. Wait. Magamba ko ito sa Filipino. I'm gonna put right here the words. Yep. I cannot English pretty well. Yeah. Pretty well. And just watch my comments now. And because if I say if I say really get the Filipino, and I'm gonna put here and okay, let's go. Okay, wait. This is because we're gonna watch this you myself and go here and tutorial. Go to customize channel. Yep, let's create test today. Welcome to studio. This is the Filipino Amoni. Okay, dayon. That's Filipinos dayon. And do. Okay, I know. And we got wait. Right there. Let's go. And we got our first. We got 3 months ago. This dog, Bunny's owners. If we just say WD, what does that means, guys? What does that mean? And we got the happiest break. He said, "Hi bro, I just subscribed to you and like you. I can understand your pain because I'm also a YouTuber like you. You forgot the end. I'm also a YouTuber. I'm just wrong. Salako. Because to get better amount of views by posting shorts, because you just posting shorts because shout out to this guy right there. This is his account and it's small, right? And I'm gonna put
butterfly, eggplant.
Right there.
Post mo ni Luna?
Wait.
Be?
Try to post.
Okay, nakita ko na.
Wait! Hey, that's in my hand! And put it there.
Dali na din.
Okay, break. Wait. Ma, wala pa nanto ko sa comments nanay. Yeah, I just said to my mom just a Filipino because I forgot this putting there. Okay, let's go. Because he's trying posting shorts every time he's a soccer player. He loves soccer. Yeah, he loves soccer. And this is from Minecraft. I think I'm pain. But I'm not pain. I don't have pain. Do you mean the pain fruit? Oh, the pain. Oh, do sakit? Pain means pain. Sakit. I'm not hurt. I'm not in pain. Yeah, I'm not in pain. Because if I eat a pain fruit, wait here. Okay, just joking, bro. And I just say to them, thank you, bro. Okay, banana. A banana. We get a banana. Wait, the hair is free. A banana. It's a banana. Nice house, but please eat. I'm gonna eat in Minecraft. Wait. I'm gonna watch my hunger. Wait. Gonna watch this for a sec. Wait. He said, wait, my hunger. Oh, doing the hunger. Oh. Wait, yeah. Oh, the hunger! I forgot the hunger, bro. I just ate. Bro. And she said, I know. Okay, I just commented. Oh, someone just like. And 40 minutes ago. This art. Wait. This is look like a furry, and I just watch this. Bro, this look like a furry to me. And I'm far away that look like furry, and I closer to it it's this. It's an artist. Yeah, I'm confused. I'm born with confused because my dad is confusing. And this is from school 2024 and 6. I just made this art. And we got hit by the motorcycle. And ayun. And we see Tagalog, Filipino, because I'm gonna say Filipino and we're gonna put it there. And let's go. Day ako ni Tita, si Tita Gina. Si Tita Gina now. And amo ni si Tita Gina. Also this screen. Day dayon. Day si Tita Gina. Lagi mo iyaya ka account. Dayon. Dayon, ambayang balate mayate, dayon hayaya ba accident, and dayon, hambalya, ano na how? Oh, hambal, ano na how? Hambal ko, we hit by the motorcycle. Nagbunggo kami sa motorcycle. Dayon amo na first dayon nagmotor kami ako ni Papa, so is help because and kami, this is the motor, and we crash and go to the Kalog. And we're gonna because I'm gonna go to the top because I have school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the floor, halimutak, okay?
This is my mom's account because I just borrow it and this never mind that.
Ay, sorry. Pasasa to din yung
And Princess Sophia, what you doing? You have fire. You want to burn me? And
Yeah, borrow now this one.
Alipu Ubunay. I don't know his name. And this is my friend Sian. Right here. 40, that's funny. 40 cents. Yep, this is Tyler. Strong. 4669. I need to check for ear mites. He's rubbing his head and pawing at it, which early makes me thinking it's something to do with his ears. Like I just commented, yeah, my dog died, that's him. Because I just bought emojis. And that's the comments. Bye. La la la